Okay, see Lindelof videos. Inverse trigonometric functions, just going to work on inverse sine functions. Just a couple things quickly. Uh, I guess the first thing is just this, that arc sine x is the same as the inverse sine of x, which can sometimes be written as sine y equals x. Very simple. So let's do some trigonometry that we know, and in less than 3 minutes we can get this sorted, I think. So check this out. We can say that sine of 11, let's see that, 11 pi sixth equals, that's 11 pi, wow, that sucked. Sorry, guys. 11 pi sixth. So 11 pi sixth sine is this right here, is negative 1/2, right? So when we take the inverse of it, we're going to answer the question, which angle, right? The question goes to which angle. So we have kind of keep in our mind, arc sine of x is the angle or number whose sine is x. So if I'm looking for the inverse sine of negative 1/2, now I'm looking for the angular value. And you see how this is, give me the value given the angle, and this is, here's my value, what's my angle. So these just switch. Can you see it? It's actually not that bad. So let's do a couple other ones really quickly, because I think that that's the best way for you to really get this. Just remember, one is, given an angle, what's the numeric value? The other one is, given the numeric value, what's my angle, right? So let's try this. Let's pick one. So I'm going to say this. I'm going to say that sine, right? I'm going to do this both ways. This is not the inverse. This is just me practicing this. Sine of pi thirds is, remember, cosine sine. So here's our sine value right here. The second value is square root 3 over 2. So if I said, what is arc sine? The same as saying inverse sine. What is arc sine of square root 3 over 2? Then I'm going to get what? Pi thirds, right? So remember, when you're taking the inverse, it's what angle, right? What is the angle whose sine is x? So this is, what is the angle whose sine is square root 3 over 2? So I just searched square root 3 over 2. There's a sine value of square root 3 over 2. The question for inverse sine is what angle? All right, I think this is not bad. Hang in there. I'm going to do more complicated examples, but this is a really good way to visually look at this. So I hope this is helpful to you. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do. Appreciate it.